Nutritional deficiencies are more common than you think, and your body often sends a warning sign. Let's talk about skin tag. These are small, soft, flesh-colored growths that often appear on your neck, armpit, or eyelids. Frequent skin tag can be a sign of insulin resistance, which means your body isn't handling sugar well. They can also be linked to low zinc level. Cut back on sugar and refined carbohydrate, which can help you balance your blood sugar. Add more zinc food like pumpkin seed, chickpea, cashew, and beef to your diet. Another one is itchy private part. Persistent itching in this area can be a sign of yeast infection, which is often linked to low level of probiotics and vitamin D. Yeast thrive when your gut bacteria are out of balance or your immune system is weak. Eat more probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi to support healthy gut bacteria. Get safe sun exposure for vitamin D or consider a supplement if you are indoors a lot. Another sign is restless leg syndrome and vitamin B1 deficiency. Do you have trouble keeping your legs still at night? Restless leg syndrome is that uncomfortable urge to move your legs, especially when you are trying to sleep. This is often linked to a deficiency in vitamin B1. B1 is crucial for nerve and muscle function. Add B1 rich food like sunflower seed, green peas, and asparagus to your meal. If you are on a low carbohydrate or ketone diet, you might need extra B1. Consider a high quality B1 supplement, especially if you drink a lot of coffee or alcohol, which can deplete B1. Anytime you take B1, you also need magnesium. Another one is bleeding gum and vitamin C deficiency. Bleeding gums when you brush or floss. This is a classic sign of vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C is essential for healthy gum and blood vessel, and lack of it can make your gum weak and prone to bleeding. Eat more vitamin C rich food like orange, strawberries, bell pepper, and kiwi. If you are not getting enough from food, a vitamin C supplement can help. Remember, vitamin C is water soluble, so your body doesn't store it. Daily intake is important. Another one is chronic cough. This is usually a keratin deficiency, or it can be caused by acid coming from your esophagus, reaching the throat, around the vocal cord. Sometimes it is linked to deficiency in vitamin B12 or iron. Low B12 or iron can irritate the throat and make you more prone to infection. Eat foods rich in keratin, animal protein, or leafy greens, and consider a B12 or iron supplement if you are at risk. Another sign is carpal tunnel syndrome. This includes tingling, numbness, or pain in your hand and wrist. This can be a sign of vitamin B6 deficiency. B6 is important for nerve health and help your body process protein. Eat more B6 rich food like chicken, fish. Talk to your doctor about a B6 supplement, but don't overdo it. Too much B6 can also cause nerve problem. Brittle nails. Brittle nails that split or break easily. This could mean you are low in biotin, also known as vitamin B7. Biotin is essential for strong new health, hair and skin. Add more eggs, nuts, seeds, and salmon to your diet. Cold feet and hands. If you always have cold feet or hands, even when it's warm, this can be a sign of poor circulation due to low iron or B12. Both are needed for healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your extremities. I will recommend you to eat iron-rich food like red meat, spinach, and lentils. Make sure you are getting enough B12, especially if you are over 50. Another sign is magnesium deficiency. If you always feel tired, headache or migraine, anxiety, muscle cramp, or trouble sleeping, this is a sign of magnesium deficiency. Eat magnesium-rich food like almond, spinach, pumpkin seed. If you have trouble sleeping or get muscle cramp, try a magnesium glycinate supplement before bed. Epsom salt baths are another great way to boost magnesium through your skin. Another one is ulcer or gastritis. This can be as a result of zinc deficiency or deficiency in vitamin K1, which help prevent bleeding. It helps in blood clotting, and also vitamin C deficiency can create a bleeding nose as well. Eat food rich in zinc, vitamin K1, and vitamin C. Another one is chest pain. Chest pain isn't always heart-related. Sometimes it's a sign of low potassium or keratin, and also it is a vitamin E deficiency. This deficiency will lower your oxygen capacity. Add more potassium-rich food like banana, avocado. For keratin, eat more dairy, leafy greens, almond, and sardine. If you are lactose intolerant, look for keratin-fortified plant milk. Another one is ghost bump. This is a vitamin A deficiency, and you can find it in animal protein, egg yolk, liver, and cheese. Cold liver oil can also give you vitamin A. Sodium deficiency. Feeling dizzy, weak, or having headache, especially after sweating or exercising. You might be low in sodium, an essential electrolyte. Add a pinch of sea salt or Himalayan salt to your water or meal, especially after exercise. Don't overdo it. Too much salt can raise your blood sugar. The next one is decreased libido. This is a zinc deficiency. Take 50 milligrams of zinc supplements, maybe a few times a day. The next one is the little white dot on your nose. This is a zinc deficiency. Eating too much sugar or processed food can block your body from absorbing these important minerals. Clean up your diet and load up on zinc-rich food. Indeed, learning never ends, and nature heals. In case you don't know me, I am Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.